Guys, we're at the beach. We haven't been vlogging because we don't want to. We've been jumping in waves. But oh my god, we're eating dried strawberries. They're so good. Oh my god. A bunch of sand just came down. Okay, so it's so fun. We're in Indiana, Lake Michigan. It's fun. It's lit.
The waves are so big.
There's boat racing, so the waves are bigger. And there's like boats. We have a good spot.
We have a pretty good spot. An umbrella going on. Eating.
Okay.
I'm checking my Insta feed
later. You need to go wash off now. Look at the ground. She just got these all over. You did that, not me. I was like this, and you go. We're building a sand castle, but we need water.
I don't feel like going to the shore.
No one wants to get water because it's packed here.
Oh, just a second.
We're building a dry.
She was on the floor and these paramedics.
She died. No, I'm just kidding.
I don't know what happened.
We're gonna build the pyramid of Giza, right?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So build this. I feel like we're so annoying, you know. Sammy, can you go any slower? It's just satisfying.